Hello and welcome back. The following problem states the metal iridium crystallizes with a face-centered cubic unit cell. Given that the length of the edge of a unit cell, so A, is 383 picometers, determine the density of iridium in grams per centimeter cubed. This is very similar to the problem that we just approached, but instead of finding radius, we are now determining density based off of A. So the very first thing that we need to determine is what is volume and also what is mass. Let's go ahead and start off with volume. Well, we have 383 picometers. They want units in centimeters, centimeter cubed. So we have to convert from picometers to centimeters. We know that 1 picometer is equal to times 10 to the negative 12th meters. So picometer and picometer cancels out. And we know that 1 centimeter is equal to times 10 to the negative 2 meter. Meter cancels out. And we'll be left with 3.83 times 10 to the negative 8 centimeters. In order to determine volume, we know volume is the cubed of A, so 3.83 times 10 to the negative 8 centimeters is equal to 5.618 times 10 to the negative 23rd centimeter cubed. The next step that we have to determine before we can calculate density is to determine mass. So similarly before, we know that there's 4 atoms to 1 unit cell, so 4 atoms to 1 unit cell. We multiply by Avogadro's number, where we have 1 mole, in this case of iridium, over 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. Atoms and atoms cancel out. And then we multiply by the atomic weight of iridium, which is 192.2 grams over 1 mole of iridium. Mole and mole cancels out. We have a mass that is equal to 1.277 times 10 to the negative 21 grams. Well, once we have that, we can plug in these values into the density formula. We get a density of 22.7 grams per centimeter cubed as our final result. It's very important when approaching these problems that you understand how many atoms are within a unit cell, because that's going to allow you to use the appropriate conversion factor. Once you know that, you can manipulate the following equations to determine the variable that you are looking for. Thank you.